Alright, welcome back. We're going to be talking about images today. So, as of now, I don't have a way to upload images onto Xperience yet. I'm going to be coming up with that feature very soon, but let's just talk about how we would use an image once that's already figured out. So, just like a div tag, right? We tell the computer we want to use an image with the img image tag. This tells the computer that what we're about to give them is an image, right? And we would use this src right here, which is short for source, and we're just simply saying that it's in this place. This is where you can find the file. So pretty easy, right? And that's really all you need to do to actually put an image in there. So I'm not going to go into too much detail for how to know where your image is right now. Just know that in our project on Xperience, it's going to be inside a folder, right? And the img right here is the name of the folder, and the slash is simply saying inside the folder, and then this would actually be the name of the file itself, and that includes the extension, which is .png. So we are going to put this inside of our divs over here. So last time we saw that we created this thing, we're actually going to put that button right in between, or the image right in between there. So that's between the child 2 and child 3 divs. Your img image source equals image folder and the name of the file. And unlike the divs, you don't need a closing tag. You don't need a closing tag like that because there's nothing actually going to be put in between that image. It's just going to be an image, so we don't need to actually put a tag there. So we can see when we put it on there, the actual size of the images is humongous. So we need to change that. And you're going to change images actually the exact same way you would a div. So we're going to give it an ID. We'll just give it an ID of image. And we're going to go to our CSS code. We're going to say we want to modify the element with the ID of image. So first we don't need to do the position yet. Let's just change the width and height. So 50 pixels each. And we can reload it, and we see it actually makes it nice and small and manageable. Now we can see right here, if you notice, that it actually switched how far down this div is from where it was before, because now this div would have been right here because we have this image right here. So this div would have been right here, and it's moving the 50 pixels that we did last time down from where it would have been. So adding new elements would shift these things around, but let's just pay attention to the image for now. And let's say we want to move our image, and we move it the exact same way that we would have before. Let's do 50 pixels. Okay, so we can see position relative to where it was. Top 0 pixels, doesn't do anything up and down, and then right's 50 pixels to the right of where it would have been, and we see it shifted left. And I mean, that's it. You know, that's putting image in and changing the height and width and where it is. It's very simple to do, very easy. In the next video, we're going to be talking about, let's see, forms and inputs. So we will see you then.